Is your PC running slow, freezing, or lagging? Do you need a quick and easy way to boost performance and clean junk files? Well, today we're reviewing Auslogics BoostSpeed 14, a powerful PC optimization tool that helps you fix system errors, clean junk files, and speed up Windows in just a few clicks. Stick around to see if it's worth a look. Auslogics BoostSpeed is a comprehensive PC optimization tool that includes a ton of features. A junk file remover to free up storage, a registry cleaner to fix system errors, an internet optimizer to improve browsing speed, a startup manager to make Windows boot faster, and real-time performance monitoring. It's designed to work with Windows 11, 10, and earlier versions, making it a great tool for anyone looking to optimize their system. Let's go through a quick run on how to clean and optimize your PC using Auslogics BoostSpeed. First up, let's go download and install Auslogics BoostSpeed. You can snag it from the link in our video description or visit the official site to download the installer. It just takes a few minutes to install. Next, let's open the software and click Scan to check for junk files, registry issues, and system slowdowns. Once it's done scanning, you can review the scan results if desired by clicking See Full Report. In there, you'll see a breakdown of the problems affecting your PC's performance. Lastly, you want to click Resolve All and let Auslogics BoostSpeed finish cleaning junk files, optimizing Windows settings, and boosting your system's speed with its BoostSpeed process. Now, let's take a look at a few of the pros and cons of Auslogics BoostSpeed. Pros. It has a user-friendly and easy-to-use interface. It includes multiple optimization tools in one. It's pretty fast compared to some other cleaners. Cons. Some of the advanced features may require the Pro version. The Internet Optimizer feature could actually create more issues with what it changes. So, if you need a powerful all-in-one PC cleaner and optimizer, then Auslogics BoostSpeed is a solid choice to try out. It's fast, seems reliable, and offers multiple tools to improve your PC's performance. I hope you found this video on Auslogics BoostSpeed helpful. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more tech tips and reviews. Also, be sure to grab BoostSpeed today from the link in the video description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.